Let's learn Baddie behavior. It's choreographed by Sierra Gil Dustin Valcalda. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Baddie behavior. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot out to the right side. You're now going to do a left sailor step, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. Keeping your weight on your left foot, we're going to rotate our right heel in and our right toe in. Weight is still on your left. We're now going to do a ball rock recover, quickly stepping your right next to your left. Rock your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a half ball cross. So we're going to turn over our left shoulder. You're going to start by making a quarter turn. As you step your right foot to the right side, you're going to turn on the ball of your right foot, and then you're going to make a quarter turn as you step your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to cross our right over our left. We're going to do a quarter scissor step. You're going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn as you bring that right foot into your left and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do toe struts with hip bumps. So you're going to touch your right toe forward. You're going to bump your hip right, left, right, taking weight onto your right foot. You're going to touch your left toe forward and bump your hip left, right, left, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your half ball cross. So it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right mambo step, rock forward with your right foot, recover back into your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back with toe fans. So we're going to step back with our left, and as you step back with your left, you're going to lift your right toe up, and you're going to turn that toe out on your heel. We're now going to step back with our right, and as you step back with your right, you're going to lift your left toe up and turn it out to the left, turning on that heel. We're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side and sway to the right and sway to the left to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your mambo step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do a ball quarter heel grind. So we're going to quickly step our right next to our left. You're going to place your left heel out, and you're going to put your weight onto your left heel, rotate your toes to the left as you make a quarter turn to face 3 o'clock. Recover your weight back onto your right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. Do a kickball step, kicking your right foot forward. Step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to hop out, out, and in. Stepping out to the right side, out to the left side, in with the right, in with the left. Now on the step sheet, it says that you can drop it low on that part. I cannot drop it low. My knees won't let me. What I like to do is I kind of do hip rolls as I do that out, out. So I roll my hips as I step out, out, in. So you can kind of add a little bit extra in if you would like. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sway. Weights on your left. You're going to do your ball heel grind. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your stomp to the right. So it's stomp, sailor, step, heel, toe, ball, rock. Recover, behind side, cross, half ball turn, cross, scissor quarter turn, toe strut hip bump, toe strut hip bump. Mambo, step, back fan, coaster, step, quarter sway, sway ball, heel grind, quarter turn, coaster, step, kick ball, step, out, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping to the right. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now on the step sheet, they say that in certain parts of the song, they say drop it, drop it. On those parts, if you would like to drop it down, you're more than welcome to. Those parts are typically the out, out, in part. You could always change that to drop, drop if you would like. And same thing with the toe strut hip bumps. You could also drop it low on those toe strut hip bumps if you would like. I cannot drop it low, so what I like to do is kind of add some extra hips in. When I do that out, out, in, I like to roll my hips as I do it. And when I do that toe strut, I kind of like go a little bit lower as I do it to kind of add a little bit in without dropping low. So you could either do the booty drop or you could kind of do your own version of it instead if you would like. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your stomp to the right. So it's stomp, sailor, step, heel, toe, ball, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, half ball, turn, cross, scissor, quarter, turn, toe strut, hip bump, mambo, step, back fan, coaster, step, quarter, sway, sway, ball, heel, right, quarter, turn, coaster, step, kick, ball, step, out, out, in, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. It's stomp, sailor, step, heel, toe, bow, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, half ball, turn, cross, scissor, quarter, turn, toe strut, hip bump, mambo, step, back fan, coaster, step, quarter, sway, sway, ball, heel, right, quarter, turn, coaster, step, kick, ball, step, out, out, in, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now there is no ending listed on the step sheet. It ends facing the back wall, so you can just kind of end when the dance ends with the music. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you could hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Baddie behavior. If you have any questions, let me know.
Girl, shake it, make it drop down, yeah. On the beat, put the long wine on ya. A little weed and the right vibe, baby. But girl, shake it, make it drop it, drop it. But girl, shake it, make it drop down, yeah. On the beat, put the long wine on ya. A little weed and the right vibe, baby. But girl, shake it, make it drop it, drop it. Drop down, yeah. On the beat, put the long wine on ya. A little weed and the right vibe, baby. But girl, shake it, make it drop it, drop it. But girl, shake it, make it drop down, yeah. On the beat, put the long wine on ya. A little weed and the right vibe, baby. But girl, shake it, make it drop it, drop it.